Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to set or add any URL website link on your Discord application. So you can see this is a Discord app. So what you need to do, you need to click here, user settings, and then click edit user profile and scroll down. Then here you'll see the option about me, so you can use markdown and links if you would. So for example, if you want to set a facebook.com user, maybe so then you can see how it looks like. You can see about me, it's a preview. So it's added now on your profile. You can add anything. You can use emoji, or you can also use your website link, and then people will see the about me section. So it's really easy friend. Today's no more, and see you in the next video.